आता खबर विस्तारान मंगळारा 28 फेब्रुवाराक एका दिसाचे विधानसभा अधिवेशन घेवपाचे आसून ह्या अधिवेशनाची शिफारस मुखेलमंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर हांणी केल्या। मंगळारा सकाळी 11:30 वरांचेर ह्या अधिवेशनाक सुरवात जातली। तांत्रीक कामा बाबतीत नियमांची पूर्णताय करपाक हे अधिवेशन घेवपाचे आसात। गोयची राज्यपाल मृदुला सिन्हान एका दिसाचे अधिवेशन घेवपाक समन्स काढला। मात हे अधिवेशन म्हळ्यार फक्त पयशांची वाट म्हण आदलो कायदो मंत्री रमाकांत खलप उलयला।
The House has to meet as per the Constitution, Article 174, at least once within 6 months. What exactly it says is 6 months should not elapse from the last session and the new session. Next part is the role of the governor in such cases. Article 176, if you look at that, the governor addresses the first session of the assembly in the new year. Of course, when the new government is formed, new assembly is formed, the governor will once again address. Now, therefore, what is the objective of holding this particular session now, except to meet the technical requirement of holding a session before the expiry of 6 months? Can the government announce any schemes today? Can the Chief Minister say that he is going to do something more during this period? We have the model code of conduct in force. So therefore, what exactly the Chief Minister and the present BJP government is trying to do is play with public funds. Even a one-day session will cost a lot of money. And that money will be spent for what purpose has to be explained. The constitutional mandate is very, very simple. In fact, they should have gone to the governor and said, holding a session is infructuous. It does not help anybody. It does not meet the requirements of the Constitution of India. And therefore, the governor should dissolve the House. Be prudent. Be practical. Take into your both hands what exactly is the constitutional provision. And therefore, go ahead and dissolve this House. This tamasha of one-day session is not in the interest of anybody. House session is meant to conduct a business. That business you do not have before you any business. You cannot create any business. So I protest against this attitude of this guy.
दोन अधिवेशनांच्या अंतर्गत 6 महिन्यांनी काय चढ काळ आसचो न्हय हो नियम आसा। ह्या नियमाचे जर पालन केले ना तर विधानसभा बरखास्त वा राज्यात राष्ट्रपतीची राजवट लागपाची शक्यताय आसता। सद्याक अधिवेशनाची गरज ना म्हण ह्या आदी मुखेलमंत्री पार्सेकर उलयल्ले। मात काँग्रेस पक्षा सयत हेर कांय विरोधी पक्षान विधानसभा घेवपाचो आग्रो धरिल्लो। जर मुखेलमंत्री हे अधिवेशन घेना तर राज्यपालान हे अधिवेशन घेवचें म्हणूय मागणी विरोधक पक्षांनी केल्ली। खुबशे राजकीय निरीक्षक तशेंच वकिलांनी ह्या बाबतीत आपली मतांय मांडिल्ली।
It doesn't matter for the simple reason the government cannot transact a business and would not and should not transact a business in the session when the new assembly has already been voted for. What if the results were declared between 4th of February was the election, right? 4th of February. 4th of February till 11th March, any day if the results were declared, as a new assembly would have come. So people have already voted, exercised their franchise. So under these circumstances, for the present government to call a new session would not be proper.
So is the demand of the opposition genuine?
See, it is like this. Session for what purpose? Session must have some purpose, no? It must be able to transact some business. What business will it transact? Will it pass laws when the new assembly has been voted for? I don't think governor should even give assent to any such resolutions of the assembly.
मात आता मुखेलमंत्र्यान आपली भूमिका बदलून अधिवेशन घेवपाचो थाराव घेतला। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।